Hey guys, and welcome back to No Coffee Needed, right here in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And I'm Chad, and I'm so happy that you're tuning in with us today, and we've got something special. It's one of mine and Sandy's favorite, like, comfort foods, kind of snack on. We cook this a lot of times when friends come over, but guys, it is called surprise fries, and we're gonna do this in a cast iron skillet on the pit boss right there. We've got that pit boss set on 425. It's running between 425 and 450. The first thing we want to do is we're going to get our bacon in there along with our waffle fries. Now you can do any kind of fries that you want to do, whatever, it makes no difference, but we just bought these store-bought waffle fries. Got 1 full pound of bacon. We're gonna need, this is 1 whole onion. It's a Vidalia onion, our favorite onion right here. We got some mushrooms. We got 1 cup of pepper jack shredded cheese, 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar, and then we've got No Coffee Needed, 3-peak seasoning is gonna go on it as well with a little bit of butter. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get this bacon and get these fries on that pit boss running for about 20 minutes. That bacon should be just the way we want it. Those fries should be done. So guys, let's get it all on there. Setting that bacon right there. Here comes the potatoes. Setting those right there. And what we did is we did put that bacon on a rack on top of a baking sheet to keep that grease from dropping down in there. But guys, that's what we're doing. So can't wait. We got the surprise fries coming, baby. Woohoo! Stay tuned. All right, guys, the bacon and the potatoes have been in there for about 10 minutes. So now we want to take these onions. Gonna do something really cool with the onions. So that bacon grease has been dropping in there. Gonna take those onions, drop them in that bacon grease, set the bacon right back on there. Gonna take it and kind of flip these potatoes around just a little bit. Just like so, you can see they're getting done. There you go, guys. We are getting there every minute, but those onions in that bacon grease are gonna be what? Amazing! Guys, thanks for watching. We are cooking it up. We'll be back in about 10 minutes. Don't go anywhere. All right, guys, been on there 20 minutes. Let's get those potatoes and bacon off. Woo! Look at that. Man, doesn't that look amazing? And it smells bacon and onions. Go ahead and get these potatoes off, set them right there. Now what we want to do, open up these mushrooms. It's going to take this bacon, lay it right there on the cutting board. Move some of this stuff out of the way. Can't forget the Dr. Pepper, 0 sugar, cream soda. Love it. All right, set that rack right there. Take those onions. We'll go just set these onions in there with the potatoes. We're just gonna take a few of these mushrooms, set them on here. We're gonna set them in set these on the grill for a few minutes while we get the rest of this stuff done. Now, what we wanna do is just take this bacon. Now, it's not exactly real crispy, which is perfectly fine. We just go take this bacon, cut it up, just like so. When I get that cut up and those mushrooms done, we'll be right back to assemble it, throw it back on the pit boss, let that cheese melt, we'll be ready to try it. All right, guys, didn't take these mushrooms but about 5 minutes. Let's check them out. Woo! Look at those mushrooms, they are perfect. Look at that. All right, guys, time to start assembling. Right here, we're gonna take these onions, set them right there on top of the mushrooms. Now what we're gonna do is just take a few these potatoes and we're gonna layer them right here in the bottom of this pot. Right in the bottom of that skillet, we're gonna take a little bit of bacon, run on there, take a little bit of ranch dressing. Pour in there, and we're gonna layer some cheese. Woo, can't have too much cheese. Then we'll take a few onions, spread on there. Let's grab a few of these mushrooms. Put around in there just like that. Man, that's looking amazing already, isn't it? Then we'll take the rest of these potatoes. We'll do another quick layer right here. Take a little bit more of that bacon, throw it all in there. Get that cheese. We'll go ahead and put the rest of that cheese in there. Like I said, that was 3 cups total. We'll take these onions, put those across the top. Take the rest of these mushrooms, set these right there. And then we'll take the rest of this bacon, sprinkle it all around the top. Man, look at that. I could eat that right now, just like it sits. We go get this in the pit boss, let it go in there about 20 minutes, give it time for all that goodness to melt and come together, and then we go give it a taste test. Guys, and then we'll sprinkle some more ranch right over the top of it once all that's done. All right, guys, let's get it in the pit boss. Woo! 20 minutes. Be right back. All right, guys, been on here 20 minutes. Let's get it off. Look at those amazing surprise fries. Man, they smell amazing. One thing we forgot to do was to put the 3-peat seasoning on those potatoes when we layered them in there. So what we're gonna do now is just go ahead and sprinkle some 3-peat seasoning right over the top, just like that. Man. And then we're gonna take ranch dressing. Run around it just like that. Goodness gracious. Check that out, guys. Doesn't that look great? Man. While we wait on this for just a second, we're gonna go ahead and get us a spoonful out here. Oh, look at all that cheese. Goodness gracious. While we give that a chance to cool off, just to kind of give you a recap of what we did, was we put bacon on some wire racks on top of a baking sheet, put it in there, one full pound of bacon. We put our waffle fries on another baking sheet right beside it, let them in there for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we flipped those potatoes over, took the bacon out, put a whole chopped up onion in that bacon grease, set the bacon back in there, closed the lid, cooked it for 10 more minutes, took it out. While we set that to the side, we put the mushrooms in there for them to cook for 5 minutes while we chopped up that bacon. Then we layered everything in here just like it was, added the cheese, the ranch dressing, and we can't forget to put the 3-peat seasoning or whatever kind of seasoning you want on your potatoes. It's what you need to put on them as you layer the potatoes in there, guys. We just layered that up. Man, just look at that. I'm telling you, it smells and looks great. Got to get that big mushroom right there. Man, that's a big bite, but what the heck. Oh man, those onions, all that bacon, mushrooms, everything coming together. Guys, I'm telling you, that's our favorite dish. We absolutely love that. Give this a try, change it up a little bit. You can take some green onions, sprinkle over the top for a little garnish, add a little flavor to it. Man, just do it your way. But this right here, I'm telling you, is a winner every time. Whenever you have friends, just you and your wife hanging out, need a little something, doesn't take long at all to do it, guys. We appreciate you. Just know that here at No Coffee Needed, we love you very much. We really appreciate it. We don't take you for granted, but most of all, we want you to know that God loves you. He loves you with all of his heart. So we appreciate you joining in. If you would, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and ring that little bell so you don't miss out on anything we got coming to you from right here at No Coffee Needed. Also, if you give us a thumbs up, make some comments down below. Guys, again, we love you. And until next time, now you're cooking No Coffee Needed style. All right, guys, we got to let Beau have a taste. Have a seat, bud. Let's see what he thinks. Come here, taste it. What you think, bud? That's some good stuff. Oh, Beau's wanting more. He needs a little more. He loves it, just like you will, guys. Thanks for watching.